Got a Readers down the street there. Readers. This is turkey dinner. This is Thanksgiving Day dinner, y'all. We launching Thanksgiving Day. Look at this. That's crazy, right? What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are still in New Jersey, in Haddon Township, and we at a spot called Franco's Place. And I'm still here with new cheese in the house.
What up?
New cheese. He wanted me to try this Panzarotti, man. I don't even know what a Panzarotti is, right? He kept saying Panzarotti. I thought he was calling me a pansy for a minute.
He's gonna learn today. He's gonna learn today.
I'm gonna learn today. Y'all thought this was a game. We gonna go in here and check it out, man, at Franco's Place. Got a Readers down the street there. Readers. Speed gas across the street. Got the little strip mall across the street. They got plenty of parking, man. Parking for Franco's Place only. He said he got different kinds of pens. How you doing? They're really big in this town? All right, we're gonna check it out, man. Thank you. Thank you. Panzarotti. Look, they got plenty of seating in here, man. Lots of seating. They got shirts, man. Franco shirts. I want an original. I'm gonna get the original.
The gobbler back?
It sure is, yeah.
That's got everything in it, the gobbler?
No, the gobbler got turkey in it. It got cranberry sauce.
Stuffing.
Cranberry sauce.
And gravy as well.
Gravy?
It's good.
He said it's good.
It's good.
I don't want to put a face on camera, but that young lady right there just treated us, y'all. Right there. Down here in Haddon Town?
Haddon Township.
Haddon Township. YouTuber life, man. So look, man, tell us, like, what are some of the joys of being a YouTuber, man?
The joys of being a YouTuber, man. Listen, I mean, showing all y'all this wonderful food, you know, giving y'all the love of food, sharing a personal experience with you guys. Shout out to my brother JL Jupiter.
JL Sensei Jupiter.
We had something called Food and Hip Hop. That was our first vlog.
It's on. Oh! So which one is which?
This is the gobbler.
That's the gobbler.
And this is the extra cheese.
We need a knife, man.
I'm gonna go
Look at
grab
this
a knife. We're gonna need this one.
This is called a Panzarotti, y'all. This is a Panzarotti. Look at that joker. It smells crispy. It looks like dessert.
Did you get your cup, bro?
No, I didn't. I'll come in. When you come back out, I'll come in. Yo, look at this, man. It looks like dessert. Look at that crisp on it. Oh my goodness. That joker is deep fried. And I'm so curious of what type of dough. Let's check it out. Ooh, that cheese is in there. How should we do this? You want to break it?
Break that thing.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Gotta cut that cheese right up.
Go ahead, grab that cheese, man. I want you to have the most cheese. Cut the cheese right now.
Look at this, man. Look at this. That's insane, man. Look at this.
It's one of those things you gotta get.
There you go. See that cheese in here, y'all? Wow. What kind of cheese is that? And the sauce?
Mozzarella cheese.
It's like sauce. Pizza inside of like a calzone bun, fried donut.
Ready, brother?
Look at that cheese, y'all.
You going in for it? I'm going in.
That is really interesting. I can't explain it. For real. Really interesting. It tastes a little like pizza dough. It tastes a little like that carnival pizza. I mean bread. What is this bread? Nice, crispy, bready, cheesy, saucy.
While you talking, I'm eating. I'm sorry, sometimes you gotta be quiet. It's like, Panzarotti, I shut up. I just be like, I be zoned out. Especially when you got like that cheese. Like, for y'all in there, look at that cheese, man. Sun or not, the sun can't stop that.
It's the truth, y'all.
I'm trying to get this cheese pulled off. Man, it's just keep on. It's like journey. It goes on and on and on and on. Dang. I ain't gonna start until it sucks.
I'm amazed, y'all. I've never had nothing like this.
Man.
I've never seen this in New York City.
A lot of people never have seen it. A lot of people come here, they be like, oh my God, I never had a Panzarotti before. A lot of people come here and buy the ones, they freeze them. Like,
Is this a Jersey thing?
yeah.
Not a Pennsylvania thing. They don't have it in Philly.
Philly can have that cheesesteak potato, man. You know, listen, even though I said it before, we got something to say about cheesesteaks too.
Yeah.
Jersey got some fire cheesesteaks right in this area too.
Yo, this is amazing, y'all. I just hate that glare is on there. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. But look like a monster in there. What's this?
Gravy.
Oh, we got gravy. Look, cause to me, right, this is like pizza to the fifth power. But you got gravy, right? That sounds like some Jolly Bees type of thing. Put some gravy on the chicken.
This is
You want to cut this one?
I do it.
We can
This
give
is
him
for
the
the
honor to cut
holidays.
this one.
This is more
It seemed holiday-ish.
around October and November for Thanksgiving. They bring this one out.
Yeah. Oh, the one with the turkey. I get
Yeah.
it.
So
I get it. That's right.
All right,
Make
let's
sure
see.
you in your shot, man. Cause you got a lot of.
Way.
You got a lot of.
They gonna cut that
You
one.
wanna-
Man, I need a Chucky knife to get this thing.
Look
So
at
this
this.
is that gobbler.
Look at this. That's
Turkey,
crazy, right?
Stuffing cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce, stuffing, and turkey in a Panzarotti. Right? I had cheese in the first one. Y'all saw it. I'm trying to get y'all in the shade. Panzarotti time, baby.
When I usually get this, I get them to throw raw onions up in here. The onions in here too.
Raw onions
I
sound
love
dope.
onions. Yeah, I love onions, brother.
I'm scared to bite into this,
Let
man.
that thing jump. Oh,
It seemed like turkey dinner.
that's what it is. You got that one.
I'm gonna just bite off a little piece. I think I'm gonna bite it on the side, the cranberry sauce on. That's turkey dinner, bro. That's turkey dinner right there. I done switched it around, y'all. And you know what? The dressing's good. When I saw a dressing on here just now, I said, here we go. But it's good dressing. Who back there making that dressing? I want a spoon now.
I don't know where he's back, bro. He still working. But he's not back there today. It was
That's
other-
some good dressing, y'all. Don't go slipping. Oh, I got on the wrong thing.
I'm gonna get a little bit of this gravy for it.
Oh, I forgot about the gravy. If I could just do one of these, y'all, it's a hard choice, right? If I could just do one of these, I'm gonna put it this way. If I could do one of these and I was here for lunch, it would be the cheese one. If I was here for dinner, it would be the turkey, the what do they call it? What's the nickname? The gobbler. It would be the gobbler for dinner. I couldn't eat the gobbler for lunch. This is a dinner. This is a whole meal right here. Oh, we got gravy
Delicious
too.
meal.
I'm
I
about
need
to
some
put.
onions in this thing.
Woo! Onions. When he's talking about onions right now, that sounds really good. Because this is dinner. This is turkey dinner. This is Thanksgiving Day dinner, y'all. We launching Thanksgiving Day. We just jumped into November. We know it's still. Is it September? Yeah, it's still September.
Yeah, like November. Right now. I would eat this for Thanksgiving. I ain't really a turkey person like that, but when it come down to gobblers, I'll get down.
And the gravy's good. That tastes like real turkey from the turkey with the legs on it. You know how the turkey be sitting there with 2 legs on it? Yeah. They be crossed. That's funny.
Yeah, you gotta lift the legs up and stuff it. So man, I'm glad you enjoyed it. They about to eat more. I mean, I'm gonna eat more later on probably, but it's gonna be a light day.
Look at this, man.
I'm gonna miss some funnel cake tonight. That's what I'm getting.
It's real delicious, y'all. Excuse me for digging. I'm just totally surprised. I'm amazed. I'm flabbergasted. I'm at awe. Like, oh.
So you know what? I mean, I can tell some of y'all. Some of y'all probably won't know. I was gonna take them to donkeys. If y'all know about donkeys, y'all know about donkeys. Donkeys, yo. When I come up north, what's some places I gotta check out? You know I'm hitting you up, so I gotta, you just give me a preview of what I gotta look forward to.
There's some new spots that opened up there. I'll let you. We'll go over there. And then when you come up, man, we can always jump on the train and hit New York, hit the Lower East Side, hit Brooklyn.
No, New York is too big of a place for me.
That's like Philly, right? This whole area. You got down here Mount Laurel, all these little towns, Hattiesburg. It ain't Hattiesburg, y'all.
When I say
It's Hattiesburg.
Hatton Township, Hattonfield.
Hatton Town.
When you go to New York, I get overwhelmed, and it's a good overwhelm because there's so many places. So you can walk down the street like, oh, they got this.
Yeah.
You be on your way somewhere else like, oh snap, they got this too. Oh man, you got. I think one of my most times we went there. We was on like a team collab. We were just knocking out places.
Yeah.
Just to get content. I think we ate at like 7 places.
Wow.
In a span of like 5 hours. I was done.
That's too much for me. And yo, this your man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love y'all. Love you. I love y'all. Have a good day. Peace. We need more collabs, y'all. Especially from brothers in New Jersey.
Facts.
I'm going to the next one. Oh,
He got that one, man. This is TKO.